A ruling by the Supreme Court today could lead to the deportation of nearly 500,000 immigrants. The High Court clearing the way to revoke their temporary legal protections.
And Eyewitness News reporter Annabelle Munoz says it's the latest in a series of crackdowns on immigration by the Trump administration.
It's the latest development in a layered legal immigration battle. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court issued an order that makes more than 400,000 previously protected immigrants deportable.
I want our fellow Americans to understand the level of trauma that this is creating.
Gerline Joseph is executive director of the Haitian Bridge Alliance, a plaintiff in a lawsuit filed against the Trump administration over its termination of humanitarian parole programs.
These people are their neighbors, their spouses, their kids. And sometimes they were total strangers that Americans reached out to sponsor because Russia invaded Ukraine and they thought that was terrible.
The Trump administration said it would individually strip this protection from immigrants under the CHNV program for immigrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela.
These are people who followed everything that was requested of them.
While a lower court prevented that sweeping action pending further litigation, today the Supreme Court allowed it.
The narrative of we want people to come here legally no longer applies because we have people who have legal status in the United States, and today that legal status were removed from them.
Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, joined by Justice Sonia Sotomayor, issued a dissent. Brown says the court botched its assessment and said in part it undervalues the devastating consequences of allowing the government to precipitously upend the lives and livelihoods of nearly 500,000 non-citizens while their legal claims are pending. Joseph issued an emotional message of support for all impacted, including those who speak Haitian Creole.
Et pour Haïtiens, yo, nous faisons connaître que nous là avec yo. N'a continué bataille pour yo. We are here for them. We hear, we see them, and we'll continue to fight with and on their behalf.
Now these groups are urging those who are subject to deportation to seek legal representation, stressing the government has been ordered to process their applications for other forms of immigration relief. Annabelle Munoz, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
The Doge father officially stepped away from the Trump administration today, and as a parting gift, President Trump gave Elon Musk a gold key to the White House. As the person in charge of Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, Musk initially promised to cut $2 trillion in government spending. Musk's team claims to have cut $175 billion. That's just 9% of that goal. In all, more than 250,000 government employees were fired. Musk's departure was planned. He was only a temporary government employee.